In a dramatic escalation of immigration enforcement, federal authorities have arrested two judges in separate cases, one in Wisconsin and another in New Mexico, accused of obstructing ICE operations under the Trump administration's renewed crackdown on undocumented immigrants. In Milwaukee, Circuit Court Judge Hannah Dugan was arrested Friday morning by U.S. Marshals. She is charged with obstructing after allegedly helping Eduardo Flores-Ruiz, an undocumented immigrant, evade arrest from ICE agents who were waiting outside her courtroom. According to a federal affidavit, Judge Dugan used a back jury door to help Flores-Ruiz avoid the agents, leading to a foot chase through downtown Milwaukee before he was caught. Just a day earlier, former New Mexico Magistrate Judge Eduardo Cano and his wife Nancy Cano were arrested, accused of harboring a Venezuelan undocumented immigrant with suspected ties to violent Tren de Aragua gang. Cano reportedly destroyed the man's cell phone with a hammer before agents raided his home. These arrests mark what critics are calling a dangerous new front in the Trump administration's aggressive immigration policy. Congressman Jamie Raskin condemned the arrests, calling them an authoritarian attempt to intimidate the judiciary. However, Trump officials remain firm. Border czar Tom Homan stated plainly, "If you harbor or conceal illegal aliens, you will be prosecuted." Both cases are under active federal investigation. Dugan is currently out on bond with her arraignment scheduled for May 15.